Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back. My name is Jeannie, in case you did not know, and this is a beauty channel where I do a lot of unboxing type videos with Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Then I also do makeup looks. I actually just started a series here on the channel for a makeup tour series, and I did my lippies first. I'll be moving on to something different very, very soon, but today I actually start my work stretch. So I work Friday through Tuesday, or I'm sorry, I work Saturday through Tuesday, and today is Saturday, so I have to go into work. So I was down here getting ready, and yesterday I got my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. This is the $13 bag, and I've got a little bit of time yet before I have to walk out the door, and I thought, let's go ahead and talk about my Ipsy for the month of January. But before we get into that, in case you are new here on the channel, I also do a lot of giveaways here, and I have one open right now. It's an amazing giveaway. It's got a ton of high-end products, both makeup and skincare, and all you have to do is just be subscribed here on the channel, be part of this beauty YouTube family, and I would absolutely love to have you. And then you leave me a comment on the giveaway video, and it will be linked in the description box below so that it's easy for you to find if you are new and you want to check it out and get your entry. But like I said, for today's video, we're going to jump into my January Ipsy. Now, this is the regular bag where, for the most part, we see deluxe size samples, but there are full-size products here and there as well. And then I have a couple add-ons with this. This is the January bag, which I think is adorable. A lot of people have said they really like it. It's got like a little smiley face for the zipper. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but then it's just kind of got like a little bit of a plastic feel, but we've got the tie-dye vibes going on, which I think is adorable. Within this bag, you get to choose one product. So I will show you what my choice was, and I actually get to talk about it because I used it yesterday when I received the bag. Fridays are the day before my work stretch, and those are the days where I really like to show myself self-love. I'll do face masks, I'll do hair masks, because then, like, for my work stretch between the kids and work and everything else, a lot of times I'll skip out on extra self-care. I'll always do my normal skincare routine and stuff like that, but Friday's the day that I like to take that extra long shower, really condition and mask up my hair and all of that. So anyhow, when I saw this on Choice, I had actually heard, I want to say it was like Hot Mess Mama talk about this product, and to be honest, I really wasn't too excited about it when I saw it, but it was just the other things that were up for me to choose I really had no interest in, so I figured I would go ahead and try it, especially since I had heard her talking about it and seeing how great it was and raving about it. So when I got it yesterday, I decided I was going to put it into my Friday self-care. And you guys, I loved it so much that I already went online and found a big one, and it'll be on the way. And now I always suggest this. So I went to the site just to see how much they were, and I think they come in like a small mini one, then an 8 ounce, and then a 10 ounce. And I remember looking at the 8 ounce and it was like $32. And I'm like, okay, so what did I do? I went onto Macari. Is it Masari or Macari? I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but I was able to pick up the same one for $13. Of course, then I had to pay $5.99 for shipping, but still at the end of the day, that's only $20 instead of $32. So if you're looking for something, whether it be hair, cosmetics, skincare, always check those sites first. Check Macari, check eBay, check freaking Facebook Marketplace, because a lot of times you can find these products for a discounted price. So I have another one of these on the way. You guys, it smells like wild rose. And what I loved so much about it was that I have very, very dry from bleaching, but I also have very baby fine hair. So although my hair needs all the moisture it can get, I also have to find something that's lightweight and doesn't weigh my hair down, because it's so fine, then it'll literally just look like, you know, like super flat and like almost greasy sometimes if I use the wrong one. This gave the utmost moisture. My hair had never felt so shiny, so healthy, so bouncy, but yet so lightweight. And the smell is like literally like you're putting fresh rose petals into your head. I mean, this was amazing. Like I said, so amazing that as soon as I was done with it, I went online and found another one, and it will be on the way to my house very soon. So although I wasn't like super, super excited about it, I'm so glad that I chose it because I found a new Holy Grail hair mask for myself. Next, we do have a brush, and I will be honest with you, you guys, I absolutely love when I get these little brushes in my Ipsy because so many of them I have fallen in love with, and I can tell this will be one that I will absolutely love. So it's super, super, super soft, and then it is a blending brush, but it's got a little bit more length than normal to it, which is great for somebody with my eye shape because I have deep set hooded eyes. It really, really will get into that crease and make that blending process more seamless and make everything look so much more better with a brush like this. And so I love when I get these in Ipsy, and this is the exact type of one that I love to get. So I'm actually really excited about this. It's from Elena Badrow, and I don't know if I've tried any brushes from that brand yet, but it feels so nice and I am glad to have it. Next, actually, this is a really good $13 bag this month as far as I'm concerned. I got one of this is a deluxe size sample, but it is the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape, and I got in the shade Light Sand, which I think will work beautifully for my tone. And of course, I've tried the Shape Tape, and I think I've even tried the Creamy, but I don't know if I've tried the Ultra Creamy. Is that different than the regular Creamy? I don't know. But I have dry skin, so I am super excited to have this, and I'm actually getting ready to go on a Hawaii trip in the end of February. I'm going to be gone from February 26th to March 5th, so little things like this are perfect for traveling, and look how freaking cute it is. So I will hold on to this, and this will go in my little makeup bag when we go to Hawaii. We try, and of course, I want to bring everything, including the freaking kitchen sink, but we really have to try to like downsize because nowadays on these airlines, like extra stuff costs more, and you can end up paying just a ton more just having a bag that's too heavy. And that's happened to us before because of me. So I have to learn how to downsize when I travel. So this will be perfect for my Hawaii trip. And then another thing that will be perfect for my trip is this. So I got one of the deluxe size samples of the Pure Lessie Ageless Glow BB Serum Cream. And this is in the shade Light, which will be perfect for me. You guys, if you have seen any of my recent Get Ready With Me's, I absolutely love this product. I use it every time I get ready. I have it on my skin today. And the way that I use it is I'll put a couple drops onto a damp beauty blender and just blend it in like it was a foundation. And then I will go in with my foundation on top. And because I'm a dry skin chick, it just leaves such a natural, hydrated look to my skin. This is a staple piece in my routine, and now I have a travel size one to bring with me for my Hawaii trip, which I am excited about. Every time I do my my toner in my my shampoo toner to keep my blonde looking nice, it looks like I have been playing in the dirt. Well, it doesn't look as bad today, but yesterday it was awful because I did use it yesterday. But anyhow, and then next, okay, so this is from Ibby, and it is the Maldives Sun-Kissed Glow Highlighter, and I actually believe that I have this same one, but what's interesting, I actually brought this on my recent Florida trip, and it broke in traveling. I should just throw this away. It's just literally just a mess waiting to happen. But this one is actually bigger in size, which I thought was interesting because normally when you get these little highlighters, which by the way, this brand has beautiful, beautiful highlighters, but when we get them in our Ipsy bags, they're normally this size. And this one is much bigger, I noticed. So that was interesting. So see the size difference on that? And actually, now that I think about it, it does look like this is a different color than that one. Although I have quite a few of these. I'm pretty sure that I do have this color somewhere, but it's in this size. But it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful highlight. Kind of like that champagne tone. So, so pretty. And kind of has like a little bit of a golden undertone. I like to use these for like my little Cupid bow area, just to give a little bit of highlight there. Now, I think, is that all that was in the bag? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so that was my Ipsy bag, and then I do have a few add-ons. The first one is by Patrick Ta. This is the lip mask in She's Juicy. I actually was introduced to this product through my Huda Beauty Glam Bag X, and I absolutely fell in love with it. This is mine, and I have used quite a bit of it, so I wanted to get a backup, and it's not something that I see on the sales like every single time. So when I saw it there, I wanted to go ahead and grab it. As you can see, I have put quite a dent in it, but I'm going to put some on right now. It is just the most soothing lip mask. You almost get a little bit of like a mentha pop when you put it on, but the formula is so smoothing to the lip, and it gives a pretty natural, very natural looking gloss to your lip, and it lasts a long time, and it just feels so good on my lips. I just absolutely love it. So I grabbed myself a backup of that because, like I said, this one is probably about halfway gone. And then I did want to try this little guy out. This is from Honey Jarrett, and this is a lip sleeping mask in lemon honey. It's obviously a deluxe size sample, and it smells like like lemon honeysuckle is what it smells like. And I just love, especially in the wintertime, but really all year round, I love lip sleeping masks. I use them every single night, and I hadn't tried one from that brand. I have tried a lot of their like face masks, I believe, like sheet masks, but I wanted to give that a try. And then the last add-on was from Ico, and it is the Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Liner. I wanted to get this because I have so many liquid liners in black, but I do not have any in brown. And I like to do a lot of brown, gold toned eye looks because I'm a brown-eyed girl. So I wanted to give this a try. And it is a full-size product. And it looks like that is the shade on the end there. So it is that brown color. And it actually goes on really, really nicely. I wonder if it dries matte. Yeah, it does appear to dry matte, which I like, in an eyeliner. So yeah, I'll be giving this a try very soon in an upcoming look. And that is it. That is my Ipsy bag for the month of January 2022. My Glam Bag Plus is on the way. And you know, I will be here as soon I will be on here with you unboxing it and trying everything out together as soon as it comes. So yeah, and my Glam Bag Plus is a good bag to like unbox on here because I can pretty much do a whole makeup look with what is in the bag. So I love when I can do that, and I am excited for it, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.